Now, it's hard to find a sector that hasn't been adversely impacted by the coronavirus pandemic. It's well known that African art has a global appreciation, but it does rely heavily on international markets. So how do you protect artistic livelihoods when neither tourists nor buyers can travel to your country? Well, in Zimbabwe, a creative hub called Avac Arts works to link up pieces of art and buyers from around the world by adopting new strategies and techniques. And we went along to find out more.
So we're creating a situation where the artist just does what the artist really loves, which is creation, and they get paid for actually doing what they love. Essentially, that's what Avac Arts is all about. Avac Arts was formed as a result of seeing a need. You know, the Zimbabwean economy was going down, and a lot of tourists stopped coming to Zimbabwe. And most artists relied on tourists coming to Zimbabwe. So Avac, our organization, then discovered that niche to actually bridge that gap. Instead of the tourists coming to Zimbabwe, we then created a website where the buyers can buy the work and the artists can actually market their work to a global audience. So what happens is at times we can go to the artists and then we have a look at their work, and once we're satisfied that their work is, it's nice, we put it up on the site, we get the measurements, we have an agreement in terms of how much they want to sell their work, and then we charge a commission because we also handle the freighting and all that other stuff that's involved in actually exporting the work to the global art buyers. And then the other thing is also the buyers could also want a specific artist. So we can actually then, after they recommend the kind of artist that they want, we can then go find the artist's work and then we actually ship it to the buyer. The challenging economic environment has affected us in the sense that at times, our work is based online. So at times, the prices of data are expensive. At times there's no electricity. And the artist at times is not around when you want to see him because he's got his own problems that he's facing at home. Zimbabwean art is very resilient, very resourceful. The economic crisis, there has been challenges in terms of acquiring raw materials for working. For instance, paintings, it's become expensive. So artists have kind of come up with their own creative ways and create new techniques of creating art.
Stay with us, still to come.